Creating a Vercel website involves deploying a static or serverless web application to Vercel's platform. Here's a step-by-step guide. Sign up or log into Vercel. Visit Vercel and either create an account or log in if you already have one. Create a new project. In the Vercel dashboard, click the New Project button. Connect your Git repository. Choose your preferred Git platform. Select the repository where your website's code is stored. Select branch. Choose the branch that contains your latest code. Configure settings. Adjust environment variables, previous settings, or any other configuration settings relevant to your deployment. Deploy the website. Click Deploy to initiate the build and deployment process. Vercel will build your site and deploy it to a global edge network. Access your website. Once the deployment is complete, Vercel provides a unique URL for your website. Custom domain. If you own a custom domain, you can configure it within Vercel's domain settings. Share your website. Your website is now live and you can share the Vercel generated link with others.